Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Abby and this is my E92 335i. So I basically bought this car a couple of months back. It was completely stock and I basically wanted to change the car inside out. So I did a lot of performance mods on it. It's currently full bolt-on, well, without the intercooler. I bought the intercooler, I just don't have time to install it right now. But it's sitting at stage 2 right now, about 360 horsepower-ish, whatever MSD says. And I kind of want to move on to the cosmetic mods now. And I'm doing one of the biggest mods, so I'm changing the front bumper. So when I say biggest mod, it's the mod that's going to change the look completely. So yeah, I ended up getting the MSPORT front bumper conversion, the MSPORT conversion bumper for the E92. And yeah, let's get right into it. So this is my old bumper. As you can see, it's the E92 stock bumper, not the MSPORT. I do have fog lights in it, so I got the new bumper with the fog lights too. But look at that. Jeez! That is sexy. Oh man. Look at the vents and shit. That's what I'm talking about. So yeah, these are the fog lights that go on the new bumper, and it's basically like a plug and play installation. I'll show you more when I get to installing this. And the accessories, well, the grills, and just a sneak peek, I also got the MSPORT bumper for the rear. So I'm gonna change this look too, but that's for another video. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, let's get on with the install. So to remove the front bumper, I'm pretty sure there's a couple of bolts here on this side, on the other side too. A couple of bolts down here, and Torx bits here. I'm basically just gonna figure it out as I go. Let's get it. Okay, so I'm not gonna bore you with the other side too, but basically it's a lot easier if you take the tires off, if you take the wheels off, and the car is sitting up on jack stands. But for me, I love when everything is hard. So what you basically want to do is turn your car on. When you're doing the left side, turn it all the way to the left, so you have more space to get to all the bolts, whatever's required. Look at this carbon fiber though. Jeez. E92 right there. That's what I'm talking about. Anyways, I'm gonna show you all the bolts that you need to take off. As you can see here, these are all 8mm. So anything, basically anything that's holding the bumper in place, you need to take it off. There's a 10 right there. As you can see, everything else is an 8mm bolt. and there's like a million bolts on it. So just remove those and the bumper should come off. Damn, look at this. This is absolutely crazy. Like, I've done like engine work on this car. I've done the starter motor, downpipe and everything, but I've never gotten this far where I have to like remove the, you know, like the bumpers and shit. This looks crazy, man. But yeah, that's the old one. And can't wait for this new one to get on there and see how it looks. As you can see, this is primed and not painted yet because I'm wrapping my car. So I'll just wrap it in the color that I'm wrapping my car. Yep.